You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I love this word. It is a little bit confusing. I don't really want to see that word, but I kind of like how it's pronounced. So let's break it down. In English, conviction. Let's break it down into syllables. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Some may say a little bit more as con. That's fine. Convic. Vic. You don't want to stress on that vic syllable. And then shun. Conviction. Stress on that second syllable, as we said. Listen carefully one last time. Conviction. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.